Welcome everybody to our English class, Unit 2. I feel at home already. In this video, we start with page 22 and 23, period number 7 and 8. Okay, I will start our lesson with the past simple, period 8, and then we'll come back to period number 7. So, past simple tense, the rule is subject, verb in the past, verb 2. So when do we use past simple? We use it for an action that happened in the past and finished in the past, not related to the present. Something happened in the past and also finished in the past. And here we have the subject, one of these, he, she, it, they, we, you, and I. All of these take verb 2, the past, and nothing different between them. So we don't have any difference between them. Now here we need to know about the keywords. As we see here, the red, yesterday, last night, ago, in the past, last week, last month, last holiday, last October, yesterday, ago, and in the past. These are the keywords, and I put them in exercises or in sentences to understand it better. Now, he spoke English yesterday. We both spoke in verb 2 in the past because we have yesterday keyword for the past. We wrote our homework last night keyword, so we put the verb in the verb 2 in the past. The cat drank water 3 days ago. Ago is also in the past. They saw a film in the past. And when we change it to yes no question, I start with did. Did you play tennis last month with Omar? Yes, I did. No, I didn't. Where did you go last night or last week? I went to the city and I bought some food. Now we have an exercise about past simple on page 22, 23, period number 8. Read the examples. Long ago, the Maasai began building their houses in circles. Number 2, in the past, people also found natural ways to protect themselves. So the first, number 1, long ago, the Maasai began building their houses in circles. This sentence in the past simple because we have at the beginning keyword to the past, ago. Number 2, in the past, also related to the past. People also found natural way to protect themselves. So number 2 is also talk about past simple. Number 3, most people have moved to live in modern buildings. Have moved to live in modern buildings. This is present perfect because we use have and verb 3 after have. So the meaning of this sentence, it means and we still live there now. So present perfect talk about something happened in the past and related to the present. Number 4, one thing has not changed and it is still the same now, doesn't change. Now look at the examples again and take the best way to complete the statements. The verbs in sentence 1 and 2 are both present perfect or past simple. Past simple. Number 2, the verbs express action that happened completely in the past or join the past to the present. Of course, completely in the past. Number 3, sentences 1, 2 also use signals words like long ago, which often goes together with the present perfect or past simple. Of course, past simple. Number 4, the verbs in sentence 3 and 4 are both present perfect or past simple. They are present perfect. Number 5, the verbs express action like that happen completely in the past or join the past to the present. Of course, join the past to the present. Here we have an exercise number 2 complete the diagram and add the sentences in the box. Here we are in the past. This is something related to the past, and here we have in the middle, and here we are now here. So we have a three sentence. Which of these sentences talk about past, and which of these three sentences talk about past, a little past, and related to the present? Let's read them. The Gadari family have lived in London for 15 months and still live in London. The Gadari family arrived in London 15 months ago. So they arrived and finished. And the Gadari family have lived in the house since they arrived in London. So which sentence we have to put it in the past, and which sentence, two sentences we have to put in the past related to the present, to the noun. That's right. The first one we put it in the past is the Gadari family arrived in London 15 months ago. And number 2 and 3 we can put the Gadari family have lived in London for 15 months, and the Gadari family have lived in the house since they arrived. Exercise number 4, period number 8, page 23. Talk about actions. Use the past simple and the present perfect. In this exercise, everybody, we have to change and put the sentence according to the question. Now, the number 1, say what you did in your last English lesson. Use past simple, because we are now here, not in the class. For example, now we took yesterday, or what did we take yesterday? Yeah, last lesson we did some vocabulary exercises. We did, because we are now not in the class, or we are now finished the class. So when we remember, when we talk about something happened in the past, we have to put the verb in the past. Number 2, say what you have done during this lesson. Use present perfect. During this lesson, okay, we have taken past simple. And what is related to past simple? What are the key words for past simple? So we are not finished the lesson. For this reason, I can say we have taken, because I have finished past simple, explaining past simple. So when I speak about it, I can say I have taken, or I have given past simple. This lesson we have studied the past simple and the present perfect. Now we come back to page 22, period 7. In this exercise, complete the conversation. Use words from the boxes. In the first box we have bedroom, dining room, living room, and hall. In the second box we have bed, dining chairs, dining table, rug, sofa, shoe shop, TV, and wardrobe. Now let's see which words we have to put them in the spaces. Number 1, well, here we are in the hall of our new home. Yes, let's put some shop and the long thin rug here. Let's put the show cupboard and the long thin rug here. Number 2, and this room is going to be our living room, isn't it? That's right. So we will put the what in the living room? We can put TV and the sofa in here. Number 3, and we will have this room as the bedroom, won't we? Yes. And so this is the room for the bedroom. What do we put? We can put bed and wardrobe. Number 4, and you're happy to use this room as the dining room, aren't you? That's right. So this is the room for the dining table and the dining chairs. We have this exercise number 3, page 22. Find words in the passage to form pairs of nouns and adjectives. Now we have nouns and adjective. What is the noun? What is the adjective of danger? What is the adjective of danger? That's right, it is dangerous. What is the noun of hot? Heat. What is the adjective of nature? Natural. What is the noun of rainy? Rain. What is the adjective of safety? Okay, safe. What is the noun of sunny? That's right, sun. And the noun of windy? Wind. Now you have to put these words, adjective and nouns, in exercise number 4. Work in pairs. Use pair of words from activity 3 to complete the sentences. Take turn to read them out. Number 1. The sun is very what today? Is very hot today. You'd better wear a hat to protect yourself from the heat. The weather forecast says there may be what? Rain today. And the weather looks quite rainy at the moment. So I think you should take an umbrella. Number 3. It's to go swimming from some beaches. What is the space here? It's to go swimming from some beaches. There is what? That the sea will carry you away. The sea can carry you away. It is dangerous. It's dangerous to go swimming from some places. There is a danger that the sea will carry you away. Number 4. It's been very today, and that has damaged a lot of flowers in the garden. And what's damaging the flowers in the garden? Yes, it's windy or wind. So it's been very windy today, and the wind has damaged a lot of flowers in the garden. Number 5. It's very important when you go climbing. It's very important when you go climbing. What is it? Safety. Safety is very important when you go climbing. Everything you do must be safe, because just one mistake can kill you. Number 6. Is warm today. So let's go out. What is warm today? The sun is warm today. So let's go out. I love going to the park on a nice sunny day. Like this. 7. In nature, there are many dangers. So it is natural for animals to try to keep their young ones safe. That's all for today, everybody. Have a nice day and goodbye.